Welcome back, everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you all are good. So, in this video, today we are going to discuss about, what are the Linux distributions and where they fit in actually, in the production system, in the small startups, what are their features, and their capabilities, as all of the working professionals, they are familiar with the OS. What are the OS available in the market actually? We have the Linux operating system, we have Windows operating system, Windows servers, Linux servers. Then what are their distributions? Uh, the thing is, and what are the virtual machines available in the market actually, like Amazon Linux and Ubuntu, then Fedora, then what is the use of Red Hat. So these are the few we can say Linux operating systems distributions. And in this video today, we are going to look into what are the different types of operating systems available in the market and how we can use them. So before going to start this interesting session, I would like to highlight one point over here. So please, go and hit that subscribe button, and if you find my contents are useful, so uh, the videos and comment in the description box whatever you feel, what topics you want to hear from my end actually. So we will going to discuss, and I'll try to simplify the concepts in as much as possible from my end actually, guys. So let's start our session. We have our document ready for this. As different operating systems are designed for different workloads, different purposes. They have their unique use cases, like servers, like in the computing, in the security purpose, in the development purpose, or daily usage. So some of the popular distributions are we have Ubuntu, then we have Debian, then we have Fedora, then we have OpenSUSE. So these are the few Linux distributions, and these are the Linux operating systems. And another in parallel we have the Windows also. In the another upcoming videos, we will going to discuss about the Windows related versions and what are their importance are available. But this video is specifically dedicated towards Linux operating systems and their use cases. So let's see one by one. First of all, Ubuntu, guys. Let's see the use cases of this cloud computing. Definitely the widely used operating system in the cloud computing. Then web hosting, then DevOps and DevOps, then beginners learning operating system. Basically, if you want to learn Linux from scratch, I highly recommend you should go with the Linux that will help you to understand how Linux file system works, how uh, the memory management, and how you can play with the editor and files and whatever the tools and functions are. Why Ubuntu is popular, guys? So this is the another interesting topic to discuss. Basically, it's easy to use. It has pre-built packages, so you have to just simply update the packages, and then you will import or update, and that kind of stuff you can do with that. Uh, Huge community support. You will find a huge community support for this operating system. This is common in AWS, Azure, and GCP. It supports Kubernetes, Docker, Ansible, and Terraform. Let's see where it is mostly used in startups, cloud environments, development systems, Red Hat enterprises, Linux, another interesting operating system, enterprise servers, banking systems, production environments, corporate data centers. So Linux is a quite enterprise ready operating system that's due to its security and wide range of functionality patches available in the Red Hat. So that is pretty selective from enterprises and banking systems actually. Uh, as we have discussed, why it is popular is it is enterprise grade ready operating system. Paid support from Red Hat. You will if you want support from for this operating system, you will go with the paid support as well. Due to its high secure and security and reliability, it is a great choice by the enterprises. uh, Mostly used in large companies, government organization, and mission critical workloads. Then we have CentOS, web servers, uh, like hosting environments. They really use a CentOS actually. Why it is popular? Why CentOS is popular? Free alternatives to Red Hat Enterprise and stable for server server workloads actually. Why and where the CentOS is used. It is used in hosting companies and lab environments where you want to just want to play with the operating system. So this is the CentOS guys. Another operating systems and distribution of Linux, that is the Debian actually. Stable servers and development and lightweight systems. Stable servers, that means its updates will will not come up frequently. So this is the Debian operating system. Why it is popular? Extremely stable, large package repository, as you will find everything what you need in the Debian. This is based on OS for Ubuntu. This is mostly used in servers, advanced Linux environments. Kali Linux, we have another operating system that is used for ethical learning, penetration testing, and cybersecurity training related stuff you want to learn. You should go with the Linux operating system. Why it is popular? Comes with security tools pre-installed, used by security professionals. What are the security related functions and packages available already available in the Kali Linux space? But then again, Amazon Linux, that is owned by and supported by Amazon. You will find Amazon Linux in their environment, in their console, and you can use that. There you will find their you can say pre-built images of Amazon Linux. If you had the Amazon Linux used in Amazon workload related, whatever the applications and packages you need, you will find in the um, AWS as well. EC2 instances, cloud native application, they will use an Amazon Linux. Why it is popular? Optimized for AWS services, better AWS integration, good performance on EC2, mostly used in AWS environments, cloud infrastructures. So, so these are the few, we can say active operating systems and widely used operating system in the market actually. Uh, uh, Again, we have Fedora for developers or testing and containers and Kubernetes so forth. So these are the few, distributions available in the market actually. So, so this is the in brief overview, use case and recommended OS. Beginner learning operating system is Ubuntu Cloud and DevOps for Ubuntu and Amazon Linux. Enterprise ready is Red Hat and Rocky Linux and cybersecurity. If you want to learn, you should go with the Kali Linux, lightweight servers like Debian. So this is uh, the use of Linux operating system. Linux is heavily used in Kubernetes, Docker containers, CI/CD pipelines, web servers, databases, AWS servers, and monitoring tools and automation, scripting. So these are the few use cases of learning the operating system, guys. This was a video about different types of Linux distributions available in the market actually. I hope this video was helpful to all the viewers out there. And before going to end up this session, I would like to highlight one point over here. So please subscribe this YouTube channel if you are new, and if you are watching, and if you are finding my videos helpful to you. Definitely you can go and hit that subscribe button, and also write down in the comment section whatever the upcoming topic you want to hear from mine. I'll definitely try to make the videos on those topics as well. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Bye.